If incoming calls are not showing on your Motorola Edge 60 Pro, the first thing that you can do is check if you do not have the Do Not Disturb mode activated. For example, the quickest way to do so is by opening Control Center. If you still use the classic style for the Control Center, then over here, as you can see, we have Do Not Disturb, which of course should be deactivated if you want to see incoming calls on the screen. With this mode being activated, incoming calls might not be displayed on the screen. However, if the DND mode is not the reason why you cannot see incoming calls, then we can go to Settings. Over here, scroll down to Apps. And over here now we're gonna go to see all apps. Tap on these three dots in the top right corner and then choose to show system apps. After that, use the icon right next to these three dots in order to search for an app. And over here we're gonna write phone first. There we go. And first we're gonna go to the phone app here. And first we're gonna, well, before we move on here, we're gonna force stop, and then we want to go to storage and cache. And we're gonna clear the storage. Delete everything, and there we go. After that, we're gonna go back, but actually before we move on to next apps, we can also make sure that permissions have been granted. So these are all the permissions that the phone app should have granted. If any of them are not allowed, then you want to tap on the permission and then grant the permission. Alright, so once that is covered, the next thing that we can do is go to the phone and messaging storage, and over here go to storage and cache, and then over here we're gonna clear cache. If you can also clear storage, but if you cannot, just clear cache. And let's exit, and then go to phone calls, and just do the same thing, storage and cache, and then clear storage. There we go. Let's go back. Now over here we also have phone services, so let's go to the storage and cache, clear the storage, and let's go back. Next we're gonna delete the phone text here, and then we're gonna write call. And let's see if we have anything. No, there is nothing that we can manage here. Alright, so once that is done, we can open the phone app over here. We need to turn it on because we have shut it down. And now we should give it a try. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.